Hello, everyone. I'm Katherine Bauer with Clark Memorial International High School, Chiba campus, and welcome to ACAN Grade 5 Reading. This is the second video in a series where I introduce you to the ACAN exam Grade 5 reading. If you are new to the ACAN or are not sure you have what it takes to pass, keep watching while I share some tips to help you build more confidence in your English. In the previous video, I explained how the ACAN Grade 5 reading has 3 different parts. In this video, we will discuss Part 2 of ACAN Grade 5 reading. As with Part 1, Part 2 asks test takers to recognize parts of speech, basic vocabulary, and short conversations. The possible responses to the problems are usually short sentences. There are a total of 5 problems in Part 2. Let's take a closer look at the short conversations. Here's an example. Mother: Pete, do you like the blue shoes? Boy: blank. The first thing you may notice is the first line in the conversation is a question, due to the question mark at the end of the statement. Next, notice which speaker in the 2 lines has information missing. In this case, it's the boy. For his response, there is no leading information provided. Therefore, based only on the question, what can be assumed? Let's see. In the question, our subject pronoun, Pete, is being asked about something blue. Do you see it? Yes, the object of the question is a pair of blue shoes. Now, looking further into the question, we can see the verb like, a reference to preference. And lastly, we can see the kind of question this is after the pronoun starts with do. That means the response will, in principle, be either yes or no. Got it? Okay, let's move on to the possible answers. Quickly scan the possible answers. Each possible answer begins with either yes or no. Listen carefully to each one, taking note of which one you think should be the response from the boy about the blue shoes. Yes, I play volleyball. Yes, they're very easy. No, I like the red ones. No, they're at school. Which one of the possible answers did you choose? The correct answer is number 3. No, I like the red ones. The original question referenced the color blue, and only one of the 4 answers also included a color. When scanning possible answers, it's a good idea to try to find some leading information, meaning information that is a common thread between the first and the second speaker. Were you able to choose the right answer? That's great! Now, let's try another example. Girl: Goodbye, Mr. Hirasawa. Teacher: Goodbye, Ellie. Blank. Looking at this conversation, one of the first things you may notice is there is no question mark at the end of the sentences. This implies there are only statements being made. The greeting, goodbye, is common in everyday English conversation. It can occur between any number of people in different areas of society. In this case, the greeting is between a girl and a teacher. Knowing the other speaker is a teacher, we can assume the girl is a student. Understanding unwritten information can help uncover a common thread between the possible answers and the speakers in the conversation. Okay, Now let's read through the possible answers. Have a nice weekend. Please come in. Let's play baseball. I'm studying. Looking at the four responses, can you decide which one fits the best? The correct answer is number 1. Have a nice weekend. The other responses, please come in, let's play baseball, and I'm studying, do not fit the situation of leaving a place. Therefore, the common expression, have a nice weekend, is the only answer that fits. If you chose number 1, have a nice weekend, then you are really getting better at English. All right, let's review. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Remember, some knowledge of basic English vocabulary and grammar is important. An understanding of a few common conversational expressions is also helpful. In the short conversations, the first line is usually a question, but not always. The second line is the response. First, determine which speaker is missing information, with a space to be filled. Next, scan the possible answers to eliminate known wrong answers by finding a common thread between the two speakers. Finally, reread the conversation to yourself. Then, decide which response makes the most sense. All right, let's have a final recap with a review quiz. Are you ready? Here we go. Choose the correct response. Boy, Susie, blank. Girl, it's my mom's. Where is the shop? When does it start? Whose hat is this? What do you like? Number 2. Man. Hi, Ellen. Blank. Woman. Thank you, Scott. It's pretty. This flower is for you. I have one too. She's not here. It's today. Let's check your answers. Number 1. Susie, whose hat is this? It's my mom's. Number 2. Hi, Ellen. This flower is for you. Thank you, Scott. It's pretty. Did you get them both correct? Awesome job! If you found this to be a little difficult, don't worry. You can always go back, review, and try again. I hope you found this video helpful. Check out the next video to learn about Part 3 of Aiken Grade 5. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.